Jilt. Now repeat after me. Jilt. Jilt. Meaning, to jilt means to suddenly and unkindly break off a romantic relationship with someone, leaving them feeling hurt or rejected. This often happens unexpectedly, causing surprise and disappointment. In a sentence, she was jilted by her fiancé just days before the wedding, leaving her devastated. Here, jilted refers to the abrupt and painful end of a relationship. Let's try another example. He didn't expect to be jilted after years of being together. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using jilt. Synonyms. Some related terms for jilt are abandon, to leave someone unexpectedly or without explanation. Reject, to refuse or dismiss someone's affection or offer. Antonyms. The opposite of jilt would be commit, to remain loyal or stay in a relationship. Accept, to welcome or show care for someone's affection. Part of speech. Jilt is a verb referring to the act of ending a romantic relationship abruptly. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.